like I said, you guys, $300. That was pretty hilarious on the pull tabs at JJ's. After I got to the tunnel, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna stop there. I love that place. Great hot beef sandwich. Let's go to round 2 here. The Sportsman show here. Minnesota Resort. Look at this bad boy. For sale. Moving your own revenue. Nice. Oof. That's a hell of a one. That looks fun. All right, you guys, how's it going?
Yeah, there's financing in place for that.
I bet. Where's that located at?
It's on Lake.
Wow, I've never been there. I heard it's a really nice lake. So you guys sell resorts and stuff, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. All right.
Thank you, guys.
Have a good day.
Gotta have some candy.
Where's Shoal Lake?
All right. Where is Shoal Lake? Where's that at?
Northwestern Ontario,
Okay.
2 hours east of Winnipeg.
What's the main fish? Walleye? What is it?
Well, you've got bass, pike,
Okay,
muskie.
cool.
I'll write him a
We
letter.
do have walleye, but it's close to walleye.
Yeah, I'm more of a northern bass, small fish. All right, good, perfect. All right.
It's filtered.
All right. Oh my goodness, these are huge.
Right?
I think I saw you in another place one time. I think you're someplace else one time. Yeah. The dogs would love this. Oh my goodness. You have the bark. Pelican Rapids, I know that's all that. How's business?
Good. How are you?
Good. My wife loves pens.
Oh, there you go.
All right. Oh, I gotta have a Tootsie Roll.
Okay.
All right. So you got Boone County, so you can all kinds of fun stuff here. The Badlands.
Oh, yeah.
I want to go there someday.
Should head out this year.
Yeah, I want to go there. Ontario can hunting trips. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that'd be fun. A fly-in. Look at those big fish.
Hunting as well, yeah.
Yummy.
Our flying portion, got some bear hunting and moose hunting. That's going to be mainly interested in talking about a little bit.
So yeah, you got to get a Tootsie Roll, man. You have to. But, yeah, there's all you can come here and get all kinds of fun stuff. So, look at the dogs.
You're not married, you have nobody
Mm-hmm.
to be responsible to when you're running a resort. I'd find it fun. Hey, you know, I have a special for influencers to stay in the glamping tent for free.
Cool. All right.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
That's not good news. Yeah.
I'm not an influencer.
I'm the only one.
Okay. Go over here. Got all this stuff. So what's this stuff? What's that? What's this stuff do? What is it?
Artificial fishing baits.
Oh, okay.
So they're plastic fishing baits.
Okay.
We make them all here in Minnesota.
Cool.
We're veteran owned, so all of our baits are military themed.
Perfect.
So like this one here is a Hellfire.
Okay.
This one here is a Frogman.
All right.
You got a Tomahawk missile,
Oh, yeah.
Trident, Hornet. So
Nice.
the fighter pilot plane. A-bomb.
Do you have like a Black Hawk one?
Not yet.
That's a Strike Force, so Black
Yep.
Hawk.
I've got an Apache.
How about Screaming Eagles?
Not yet.
Okay. Cool. All right.
But the Black Hawk is coming. The bait's just not ready yet.
Perfect. Airborne 101. You know, that's all you can do all that stuff. So all right.
There's a lot of stuff that you can
How about Normandy? You know, D-Day.
So this one's the Ring of Fire. This
Yep.
is our Javelin.
Mm-hmm.
I've got an SR-71 Blackbird.
All right. Cool.
This is the SR-71 Blackbird.
All right.
This is the A-10 Warthog.
Nice. Nice. I get it. Cool.
And then our stick baits are Seawolf submarine class, nuke sub.
God, I'd be a hard time getting a sub. A guy I work with decided to go in the Navy.
That's the
And
that was the subclass I was on, was the Seawolf.
I couldn't do it. Have you ever been the sub in New York? They have the submarine.
Yep. Yep.
I walked to that
It's a
thing.
floating coffin. That's all it is.
I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I just
I
couldn't.
did one 200 sub, and I'm like, yep, I gotta switch. I can't do this
a
anymore.
real good video on YouTube is what they go to fish, how they making the food in the sub. They'll make like 35 grand, but what they have to do.
Yeah.
I've never served, but I'm going to be on an aircraft carrier. I'm not going to be in a plane. It just takes a lot of guts.
Yeah.
All right, my friend.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
This is terrible.
You got it. All these fish you can see right here. Oh yeah. What's your Lake Lodge? Yep.
I'm sure you've crossed paths, but she used to, yeah, me and Kat used to run around together.
Hello, how are you? What kind of fish? Basic walleye or?
Yes,
Okay.
we are walleye northern.
Where are you guys located at?
We are about 6 hours north of the International Falls.
Oh, okay.
In northwest Ontario.
Cool. All right.
About
Perfect.
as far north as you can drive.
What the heck, right? Beachport right there. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You can have that.
All right. Appreciate it.
Go back and rewatch see where you've been.
Yeah. I put up a YouTube channel, so.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So, anyways, all right. Good luck this week.
Hey, thank you. Enjoy the show.
All right. And we have all these kind of crazy things right here. These are, I don't know about that, man. It's okay. So they have the knives. More ice box. All kinds of fun stuff here. So you get Rapala. There's 90. There's that jacket I want to buy. That I want to buy. This thing is kind of getting I gotta eat this thing right now before it gets all. I don't know. Huh. Look at those. From the ice fishing show. I get all these things right here. All I want to know is how deep the water is. That's all I need to know. So, they're not cheap. All I really need to do is depth finders. Because the fish doesn't mean they're going to bite. That's the whole thing. I'm trying to find them. Got the augers right here. You want to dig yourself a little hole in the lake. Those pig legs, Jesus. They're huge. I think they're kind of cool. Nice little gloves. Mm-hmm. These are the trolling motors.
Yeah, here you go, Mo. Yeah, you've seen this.
What's that thing?
Jaw jacker.
What does it do?
It automatically sets a hook for you.
Oh, okay.
This
Nice.
became legal in Minnesota this year.
Oh, really?
You could have an artificial hook set.
Oh, okay. I'm just an easygoing guy. Give me some sunfish.
Yeah,
and
right.
crappie.
Yeah. If you can afford a bobber, you can save $50.
I didn't know that. All dog toys. They'd rip those pillar to post, post to pillar. Damn right they would. Get into here, up in Ely, Minnesota. These are all the lake maps right here. I've seen before. That's kind of cool. We give them all so you know how deep your lake is. How's it going, guys? EWC, I love it up there. I'm gonna go up to Timberlake. I was up there for a month when I was like 16. What we did is it was a Christian camp, and we cut all their wood for us, and then we outfitters for the trail. I was the cook, me and my buddy. I saw pictures. We're like this. We're looking up in the. It's raining on us. So we were 2 weeks in a canoe, about 10 of us, and I was the galley worker and the cook. So we did the church. I was 16, and we did the churches, all the wood for them, and they outfitted for the trail. So I hope they don't drill up there.
I hope as well. Who knows? But yeah, I agree.
All right, you guys. All right. Got some more stuff right here. Anyways. These are kind of nice. I like those a lot. Those are cool. I'd love to buy some of this stuff, but I just don't fish as much as I want. Oh, I like this. He's got a different kind of thing. That's going to break, I think. Kind of like how he did that. Leon Lures. Here's what I was looking at. See, I like this connection up here better. These are kind of cool. That's a nice one right here. Look at this bad boy. It's kind of a cool one. Yeah, nice. Anyways, guys, that's the second one here. We'll move on to the next one.